So I got this DM from someone the other week, and they asked me if I believe that content was a young person's game, because they were starting to kind of get hesitations around the idea of going into content marketing after having a career in marketing for quite some time. They were inspired by some of the content they were seeing on Twitter, etc. And they were like, I like content marketing, but is it a young person's game? And I need everyone to know that it is not in any way a young person's game. Content is a equal opportunity space where the older you are, in many ways, you probably have a lot more perspective. You probably just have been around the block a few times, and thus you have new ideas, new angles, and new connections that you can make. So no, in no way, shape, or form should content be viewed as just a young person's game. Content can be great for young people. It can be great for older people, for senior people. I believe if you look at folks like Betty White, she has created content for decades. And like a fine wine, that content has arguably gotten better with time. So no, content doesn't become something you can't do just because you are older, just because you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is whether or not you understand some of the fundamentals of marketing, you understand some of the fundamentals of storytelling, you understand the psychology of humans, and you understand the importance of adding value to the person on the other end of the keyboard, the video, the podcast, whatever it may be, the format that you are embracing. If you can give value, you can win. So no, in no way, shape, or form is content just a young person's game. It's a place where everybody can win.